welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma and I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I thought I'd share my tips and my tricks on how to get pregnant really fast. I hope this video is going to be useful to a mom out there who's trying to conceive. So basically these are what the steps I took to get pregnant, and obviously it's going to vary from moms to moms, but this is from my own opinion and from my own experience. Also, I just want to put out a disclaimer to say that I am not a medical practitioner in any way. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a midwife or whatever, but I'm just a mom of two and I'm going to just share my experience as a mom of two. So the first thing I did to try to conceive was to actually be in the mindset to conceive. So actually I have had 3 pregnancies. I've had 1 miscarriage and 2 pregnancies full term. As you guys know, I've got a 4-year-old daughter and a 2-year-old son. So for my first pregnancy, it was unplanned. It just happened within a month of you know, being with my husband, for the, you know, being married to my husband and being with him. So it just happened within a month. So it was not planned. I actually didn't think I was going to get pregnant so soon. You know, I thought, you know, I'd have to wait for a few months before I got pregnant. But it didn't happen like that for me. It actually happened very fast. But you know what? I don't want to talk about my miscarriage story because that is a story for another video. Trust me, I have healed from the process. I have healed from the experience. But I would share, you know, my whole experience in a different video. So let's just keep this video positive, and I'm just going to share what I did to get pregnant to my 2 kids. So as I said, the first pregnancy was not planned and it was a, you know, devastating experience, you know, because after the first pregnancy I had a miscarriage. So I was now like more aware and more prepared to actually, you know, be pregnant and have a child. So the second time around, when I wanted, so after the miscarriage I wanted to get pregnant, so I had the mindset of, you know, getting pregnant. I had the mindset of becoming a mom. I was now more focused, more prepared and more eager to get pregnant again and, you know, have my own child. So, you know, for that to happen I had to actually plan. I had to plan the pregnancy, and I was more cautious and more aware of what I was doing with my husband. So what we did was that we decided we were going to track my ovulation, and I would highly recommend the ovulation test. So basically what this is just like a strip of it's an indicator kind of you know, strip that you have to wee on it, and then it will show you if you're ovulating or not. I got mine from Amazon. I'll leave a link in my description box where you can get it from Amazon as well. So basically I got the ovulation test and I was tracking my ovulation with that. I think it took me like 5 months before I finally got pregnant. So within that 5 months, what I did was I started understanding my body, understanding my whole cycle. So most people have a 28-day cycle, so you could actually track that. There are so many apps that you can actually download to track your cycle and all of that. And also there's a ton of advice on Google, so you can always, you know, learn more about, you know, tracking your cycle. I started to track it, and usually if you're ovulating it takes 14 days for you to, you know, ovulate. Basically I would advise that you guys get to know your body, get to know your ovulation, get to know your cycle, your menstrual cycle. This is TMI, trust me, it's a bit for me to say this, but I'm just going to be honest, and I really want to help someone out there who's trying to conceive. So my next tip for how to get pregnant really fast, darlings, is I'm sure I'm sure you guys are waiting for this TMI information. Yes. So anyway, the main thing you need to do is have sex frequently. Yes, have sex frequently. Don't just think you can have sex once a week and think you're gonna get pregnant like that. I mean, some people probably got pregnant that way, but it doesn't happen for most. So basically have sex a lot. Yes, a lot. Now, there's a catch. You can't have too much sex. Well, I think doctors have advised not to have too much sex, because if you have too much sex, then obviously the sperms will be weak, they wouldn't, you know, do much. So just have frequent sex but moderately. That's what I would say. Have frequent sex but moderately. So it's not like you're gonna have sex morning, afternoon, night. No, that's just that's gonna waste your time, waste everybody's time, waste sperms, everything. So you have to give your man some time to, you know, grow some healthy sperms, and also for your body to, like, you know, take in the sperm it already has taken in. Okay, so basically I would say have sex like every other day, maybe once a day, or, you know, maybe like 4 times a week or something, or 5 times a week. I don't know, but just have frequent sex daily if possible. Yes, have sex daily. So basically, now let me just put this illustration here. Let's say you are menstruating and you end your menstruation today. I would say just wait for 7 days to pass. So after the 7th day, girl, you're gonna be on that bed. You're going to be doing until you get pregnant. Okay, so basically, let's say you finish your menstruation today. I would say wait for 7 days. Okay, because after that 7 days, nothing really, you're not ovulating within that 7 days, so there's nothing happening. But after the 7th day, girl, every single day, do every single day, do until you get pregnant, my dear. Okay, even if you cannot do it every day, but just make it frequent. Just make your whole womb full of sperms if possible. One will actually click. So another tip I would also give and share with you guys is positions. Now there are so many, you know, things about positions. Most people say, oh, you have to be in a missionary position before you can get pregnant, and some people say, oh no, you have to be in a doggy position or whatever position. I hope I'm talking to adults here and not kids. So most people say you have to be in different positions to get pregnant, but really I don't know about positions. But I think as long as the sperm, what's important is having the sperms go in you. So whatever position you fancy, just make sure that the sperms are in and they stay in. They don't come out. Okay, so that's just my advice for that. Another thing you need to think about doing is what you need to do after having sex, after having intercourse. Okay, let's use intercourse. Maybe sex is too, you know, mature, but okay, after having intercourse, the other thing you need to do is that you need to raise your hips and your legs up in the air. Basically just put them on the wall so that, you know, the sperms and all of the sperms can swim into your womb, so that you guys, you don't want to lose the healthy one, because you never know which one is the healthy one. You never actually know which sperm is like the one, so you want all of them inside very well. Make sure that your man doesn't get up immediately after he comes, like let him stay there for another 30 minutes, because you never know. The real healthy sperm might just be inside the tank, and he needs to let it out. So we don't want to waste no sperm, girl. Do not waste any sperm. So make sure that every single sperm in his tank is out of him and inside you, basically. And also, when you do that, just stay in that position for like 30 minutes or 1 hour, or you know what, just stay there and sleep off. Seriously, just stay in that position and sleep off, because the more you stay in that position, the more, you know, those boys can swim, or those girls can swim, anyone, you know. Obviously we all know men have the X and Y chromosomes, and so ladies have the XX chromosome. So anyone, whatever, I'm not a doctor, but you guys Google this stuff and it will be so helpful. Another thing you need to think about is your nutrition. So basically, if you smoke or you drink alcohol, you know, or you like junk foods a lot, it's actually time to cut back on all those kind of foods and all this kind of stuff, because you want to have a healthy, you know, a healthy pregnancy. Nobody wants to have an abnormal pregnancy or whatever. Nobody wants to experience a miscarriage, or you know, there's so many things that could go wrong, but obviously you have to give yourself and your child a chance to actually have a healthy pregnancy. Another thing that you should, you know, think about doing is taking folic acid. Folic acid is good for pregnancy and for women trying to conceive, so try to take folic acid every day, you know, prior to trying to conceive, so that it just makes everything easier for you. Not just folic acid, but multivitamins as well. It's good to take multivitamins once a day. So one more point I would like to say is that just try to take it easy with yourself. You're doing so well. Just try to take it easy. Don't focus. Sometimes, you know, sometimes in life when you focus all your energy, all your time into something, it doesn't always work out that way. So just try to like, just be happy, just do your thing. Don't let anything really make you anxious. Don't let anything worry you. Don't let anything stress you out. Just try to just enjoy the whole moment. I believe that people conceive out of love. I think it's not always in all situations, but obviously majority of the situations it's out of love for each other. So just, you know, just take things easy with yourself. You know, you have, seriously, you have no control over it. You can only play your part. So just play your part, let your man play his part, and just, you know, leave everything to, you know, God or the universe, you know, whichever you believe in. I hope I have covered everything, but honestly, these are the things that I did to get pregnant, and I really hope that it is useful to a mom out there. I would also like to know what you guys did to get pregnant. For those mamas out there who have kids already, I would like to hear from you. How did you get pregnant? What did you do differently? Just leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this whole situation. And also, if you're trying to conceive, you can always leave me an email letting me know if something will work for you or not, you know, or you can leave a comment down below. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe. Yes, I love having you guys come check me out on YouTube and just be part of my family. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one.